Court 2014 Chaitanya Tamhane Chaitanya Tamhane, born in 1987, is an Indian filmmaker and a screenwriter for his deeply observational and socially relevant cinema. His Court, that was released in 2014, is a Marathi language courtroom drama that dissects the flaws and absurdities of the Indian judicial system. Court deals with the trial of Narayan Kamble, a folk singer and activist who is arrested on charges of abetment to suicide after one sewer's death in a waterlogged manhole due to the negligence of safety measures. One of his performances was allegedly considered as the cause that forced that sewer to commit suicide, though it was an accidental death. Thus, the court highlights the tedious bureaucratic nature of the legal process and the quiet oppression faced by marginalized communities. The film Court begins with Narayan Kamble's taking tuition classes and then singing a folk song in a function where he is arrested by the police. Then we see the use of a realistic portrayal of the rigidity of the legal system. The defense lawyer, Vinay Vora's sincere attempt of fighting for the oppressed is also revealed in the meeting where he talks about the ideological biases and the bureaucratic nature of the legal procedure. That is why the marginalized communities are getting arrested in another case immediately after getting bail from the earlier one. Narayan Kamble and Vasudev, the dead sewer worker, these two don't know each other. Actually, Vasudev didn't use mask and other safety measures on his cleaning the sewers. So it was an accident. But purposefully, as Kamble is an activist, he is linked to the crime. The public prosecutor in the trial effectively connects Narayan Kamble's being the vice president of one MFS party in 1976 and his going underground in a case, and argues that it was his provoking songs that made Vasudev commit suicide. But Vinay Vora proves the court through the words of Sharmila, the wife of dead Vasudev, that he used to drink alcohol while doing duty and never used any safety measures while cleaning the sewers. So the judge, Sadavarte, grants him bail, but on paying 1 lakh rupees as a surety. But Kamble is arrested again for arranging meeting with extremists who threaten the national unity and integrity. The same judge denies bail as it is a UAPA case, a non bailable one. Though Vinay Vora mentions about the age and health issues of Kamble, the judge rejects them. The personal lives of the public prosecutor and the judge highlight the deep seated prejudices and institutional apathy prevalent in India's legal system. Thus, court identifies the flaws in the legal system, needs a reform in it, and becomes a social and political critique of contemporary India.